Hello, hello, Claire Guest here with William Ravis Real Estate in the Guilford office. And joining me today is
Morgan Airy with William Ravis Insurance covering the Guilford office.
Fabulous, fabulous. Now, I have a lot of investors. I work with a lot of investors, and some of them will buy a tumble down house and they will flip it, if people flip it. Or they will just completely renovate it and then use it as a rental property. But what do you do with the insurance during that heavy construction?
Yes, so while a property is being renovated, we definitely need to have the right kind of coverage. It may be as extreme as a builder's risk policy if there's going to be significant upgrades, construction,
Tearing down
structural,
walls.
yes.
Okay.
That will be a builder's risk type policy, and that is the type of insurance that you are going to want and need during that time. If it's more cosmetic, we've certainly seen a lot of homes that need a lot of TLC, but it may not be structural. So it may be stripping wallpaper or refinishing floors, but maybe the electrical is fine, the plumbing is fine, even the roof and furnace may have been recently replaced, but the people that sold the home just had an outdated kitchen and it needed to be freshened up. If it's a case like that, still important to know, and it will be a vacant home during those renovations, but it may not need to go quite to the builder's risk type policy, but more of a renovation and a vacant policy because there won't be people living there. So there's some differences with the liability and other things that might be going on. So important to know and get the right coverage with the right carrier, with the right agent.
Ah, perfect. Now the builder's risk is also for ground up, correct?
Yes, we do also have options for ground up construction. That is something that I do help with.
Fabulous. So in other words, Morgan can do it all. Stay tuned for more insurance questions coming soon.